This video will show you how to review your assessment results in OWL. First, log into OWL. Then, go to the testing menu and select My Completed Assignments. Once you are on the Completed Assignments page, look at the icons on the left. If the information icon is shown in bright blue, it means your results have been published and are available. Click on the icon. A new window will pop up. The overall result for your test will show the percentage and the number of points received out of the total number of possible points. To see your individual questions and answers, click on the Section tab, and in the upper right-hand corner, click on this expand arrow. This will open all the items in the section. At the top, you can see your overall section performance. Page down to see each item. You are able to see what you scored, and below it the original question, your answer, and the correct answer key. Then click on the next section to view it. This item was rated with a rubric. Here you see the points and the rubric ratings you received. Below it is the original question and your response. When you are finished, click Done or simply close the window. Thank you.